Hey guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is another TS Tech Talks video. On today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram username and also how to use the Telegram username and ways you can actually make use of Telegram username. Now let's dive into that. Open your Telegram and now make sure you're already logged in. Click on the menu icon on the top right and then click on the profile icon. Now you notice on the second option after the account area where you have your phone number, it says username and none, right? When you click on that, that means you want to create the username. Now let's go ahead and create this username by tapping it. Now you can go ahead and enter the username as long as you want. Just make sure that it's a minimum of 5 characters. So I'm going to say, so let me just go ahead and put the username and then go ahead and confirm this. But for some reason, if this username is already in use by another person, it's going to tell you unavailable. But if you notice below, it says the username is available, right? So let me go ahead and click on this check icon to confirm that I want to make use of this username. And now you notice it's displayed as at, instead of just the username, it says at TrustPart, right? So which is actually my username. Now I'm going to back out. And then I want to show you guys what this username actually means and how it works. Right now, if I click on this person's profile and then click on their account, you notice the username of the person right there says Amber Bali, right? Now, this is the person's username. And when you send this person a message, they are going to get this message as their username. They're going to get this message, and easily this username can easily be found even though you don't have the person's account on your device. Now this is actually what I mean. Now if somebody gave you a username and then ask you to add them on Telegram, all you can do is to go ahead and search for that username right here where it has this search icon. Go ahead and tap here and then go ahead and search for the username. I think I have an account called LifePart. I think, okay, it's not LifePart. Then type Pathfinder. So it should display you that username. You notice it says Pathfinder. So if you don't have the person's phone number, you can search the person with their username and they will be displayed. So apart from that, it can still give you global results on that particular name that you are typing. You notice it says Part, right? So everybody that has Part with their name is actually displaying. So let's say we want to search for Finder. Now, if I type Finder, you notice everybody's name relating to that particular account are all displayed. So you can easily search anybody's username on your Telegram and easily find them. And another thing, guys, if you're making use of Telegram and do not want to give people your contact detail, now this is what you could do. You could go to your Facebook. Let's say you want your Facebook contact to add you on Telegram. All you could do right there is to say, add me on Telegram, and then you put at my name, I think it's TrustPart. So you just put the name and then you go ahead and send it. So anybody that copies this username will be able to add you. You can do the same thing with Instagram, Twitter, and any other social media app. Just once you put in your name, just make sure you have this at and then the name of it, and people can easily find you on Telegram with that particular name. So there is still a way to do this. There is still a different way this works out on the desktop version, and I'm still going to show you guys once we are working on the desktop version. But right now we are still working on the mobile version. And this is all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please still subscribe to the channel for more video, and like the video and share it with your friends, and I'll be seeing you on my next video. Peace.